everyone, welcome back. You know how much I love my beauty DIYs, so I thought of summing up this video to show you my favorite kitchen ingredients that I like to use to smear it up on my face, skin and hair. If you use food like fresh, good food, then it can give you naturally glowing and gorgeous and just refreshed skin. So guys, why just invest money in those expensive beauty treatments and items from the market? You can have amazing, glowing, beautiful skin at home using some of the kitchen ingredients, which are absolutely normal to use, natural, and they are super easy to make and put it up on your face. And you can do this at the convenience of your house. So yeah, let's start talking. So I'm going to first talk about lemon juice. Now, lemon juice works amazingly well for oily and acne prone skin. If you just apply it onto your face like this and let it stay for 10-15 minutes, it will tighten your pores and it will actually help in making the pimple or acne dry up much more faster, which will help to get your skin much more clearer and cleaner, and it will also lighten your skin tone and brighten it from within. And also you can use this as an exfoliant. How? Just put some brown sugar or normal sugar on top of this lemon and then start massaging it all over your face, so it'll do the job of exfoliating your face, along with which it will also add on to the benefit of whatever benefits lemon juice provides to your skin. Next, talking about one of the favorite items that I always like to use in my DIYs, it's coconut oil. So coconut oil helps in conditioning your hair and hydrating your scalp and your overall hair growth nourishment. So just use this all over your scalp and hair lengths and let it be there for overnight and wash it off in the morning. So it'll give you beautiful, luscious, long, strong hair. You can also use this in order to make your nails stronger. If you have soft, brittle nails, use this as cuticle oil and just massage it all over your nails and cuticles before sleeping and let it be there. You can also use this to remove your makeup. It's really good, but yeah, for oily skin it does clog pores, but then in order to get rid of that issue, you have to wash your face and then use a toner. But yes, you can definitely use this in order to remove your most harshest and even the most stubborn makeup particles that you have on your face. Then comes apple cider vinegar. So this is antibacterial, so you can use this in order to get rid of dandruff if you have any. So just rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar and you will actually get rid of all the dandruff issues that you've been facing. Also, you can make a toner at home which will help you tighten your pores and clean and clear your skin from within. So just mix 1/3 of this and 2/3 of water in a spray bottle and use this mixture as a toner twice a day, and it'll really help you to shrink your pores and for a clearer and brighter skin. Up next, haldi, as popularly known as in India, or you can call it turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most important spices of India. It's anti-inflammatory, and because of those properties, what it does is it helps in evening out the skin tone, fading away all the acne scars that you have or any dark spots, and even reverses the signs of aging and reduces the any sort of wrinkles that you have on your face or any part of your body. So just make a paste out of it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking mix water with a little bit of haldi, or maybe you can mix milk or even oil, any oil for that matter. So just make a paste form of a consistency and then apply it onto your face and let it be there for 15 minutes. It'll really help you to even out the skin tone, and just it will really be a very good anti-aging face mask. Now, honey is a very moisturizing naturally, so it can be used all over the face to moisturize your skin, to just if you're dealing with extreme dry skin or dull skin situation, then you can apply honey all over your face. It'll also tighten your skin if you have a little bit of, you know, like dropping or sagging issues. Then it'll tighten your skin, and it can also help you get rid of any sort of chapped lips. So just apply it onto your lips and you can sleep with it. It'll help you smoothen out your lips. It'll make them plumpier and softer and very kissable. Another thing that can be used is banana peel. That's very important. So just take the banana peel and put it inside your mouth, and with the help of peel, just rub your teeth. It'll help in natural teeth whitening in no time. Yogurt as an alternate you can use. Dahi, like curd in India. Yogurt has lactic acid, so it'll help in lightening your skin tone, and it'll also act as a natural exfoliant. So it'll clear all the dead skin cells if you apply it onto your face. So, and it'll also make your skin really soft. Potatoes, very important. This, like I've just sliced a wedge out of the entire potato. Just take this slice and keep it under your eye area. It'll remove all the dark circles. Of course, with time, if you continue to do it for a period of time, it'll help you get rid of those dark circles. And if you rub this slice of potato on your dark elbows or knees or any darkness that you have on your body, it'll fade away all the darkness. So potato is really good in sucking up all the darkness from your skin, and it lightens the skin tone. Last but not the least, green tea. So if you have this kind of a powdered form of green tea, then you can use this as an exfoliator, or you can just simply you know, take the pouch, open the pouch of a green tea and release the content from it, and you can mix it with any liquid agent, be it milk, water, oil, rose water, anything, and just use this as an exfoliator. It will clear all the dead skin cells from your face. You can also use this as a natural toner. So just brew some green tea and use that liquid as a toner twice a day. It'll be really good for your skin. Or you can also use this to calm your skin and soothe your skin if you have any sunburns. So it's anti-inflammatory, so you can just place some green tea pouches wherever you have any sunburn or anything of that sort. Also, if you have if you face the issue of puffy eyes, so you can get rid of any sort of eye puffiness by just putting two really chilled frozen green tea bags under your eyes and then let it be there for 10-15 minutes. In the mornings, usually I do this when I see that my eyes are really swollen or puffied. I like to keep those tea bags under my eyes, and that's about it. It really helps to depuff my eyes. So that's it with this video. This is like this one foolproof video to talk you through about all the natural ingredients that I like to use on my skin, hair and face. I would actually suggest you to take all these items from your kitchen and keep it in your vanity instead for your skincare routine, etc. So yeah, so these are all the things that you have. They're all organic, so you can be rest assured about it. Everything is natural, so there's nothing that is going to harm your skin and hair. No chemicals, no parabens, nothing, and it's easy, right? So, and everything is available at a very cheap price in your kitchen, so you need not buy anything. You need not go to the drugstore market. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you super soon. Bye.